If your best friend was in danger, would you risk everything to save them? This lion did. In the heart of the savannah, an incredible story of bravery and loyalty unfolds. Meet Leo, a lion with a heart as mighty as his roar. One day, his best friend, a lioness named Nala, found herself trapped in a poacher's snare. Her cries echoed through the grasslands. Leo heard her distress and without a moment's hesitation sprinted to her side. With fierce determination, Leo fought against the snare, using his strength and instincts to free Nala. His relentless efforts paid off, and Nala was freed, both lions collapsing in the grass, exhausted but safe. This was no ordinary rescue, but a testament to the incredible bond they share. Leo's heroic act reminds us all of the power of friendship and loyalty. In the wild, where survival is harsh, it's the bonds we form that truly make us strong. What would you do for a friend in need?